It positively impacts the child to see a working mom. That's number one. There's a lot of research done on this. We cannot discredit this piece of information. Having said that, if there is a mom who's missing out every milestone and honestly is not happy at her job anymore because she feels like she's missing their child's childhood, right? And she wants to quit her job and stay at home, and that's completely fine. And then there's this another bracket where the mums are working or working from home and they have help around. So they get to actually give the best care to their child, they get to focus on their work, and they get to balance it all. There is no right or wrong answer. Every mom has to decide what's the right thing for them. I think the problem arises when the mom wants to do something, but there is pressure from in-laws, from husbands, from society to do the other thing. I know a lot of mums who've had to quit their job because there was so much pressure from the in-laws saying घर पे बच्चा बैठा है और कोई ध्यान देने के लिए नहीं है. But the question is never asked to dads. But then there are some moms who genuinely want to do it. So I think what needs to happen here is something that serves the child, where the child gets the care they need and the child also gets a parent who's taking care of themselves, their needs. And we are missing a big piece here. Some mums are working to make ends meet. If they don't work, what's going to happen to their children? What's going to happen to the schools? What's going to happen to the expenses? So this is a very big question with no right answer, unfortunately.